was really a pleasure to be here in this 2-day-long training session with Team Briddhi. I'm retired Major Sayyid Tamur Hassan. I'm currently working with the ACME Laboratories Limited as Senior Manager under the HR and Administration Division. And I'm really feeling honored and delighted to be a part of such a magnificent training facility which had been provided to us, and I'd like to thank ACME and I'd like to thank Team Briddhi as well. And my heartfelt gratitude and thanks to our great facilitator, Akbar Hassan sir. It was really a very rare experience for me to come across such a personality, such a training facilitator. For me personally, being an ex-military person, command and leadership, these two terms have been very common, and from our early age, when we were at the age of 18 and 19, we joined the Bangladesh Military Academy, and we had been taught about these things, the command, leadership traits, leadership principles. But the application of all these in the personal life today, when I am in the corporate arena trying to find my career as a leader and circulate it amongst the team members of mine, I really felt this fascinating and very much effective, the training which had been provided to us by the great facilitator. Just to explain a few things, the things which I personally realized and learned today. If we construct a building or even a wall, every piece of brick needs to be perfectly aligned, placed and cemented. And that's what today's training on team building and leadership for success was focused into, as per my assessment, which I personally realized, that this training facility will polish and take to the finest of its state to each and every brick, which are us, every individual of the team, of the organization, of the company. And we really can carry forward this experience, these teachings, these learnings to our personal life, to our family life, and as well as we can contribute to the society, to the country, to the state, to the nation. If I'm being asked how, then my answer would be very simple, that if one piece of brick can make a difference into the construction of a wall or building, a single person can make a difference and bring a change into his own personal life, in his family life, in his society, as well as in his country. Nonetheless, to his organization as well. So it's really a great step taken by ACME to bring this great facilitator amongst us, and it was really a very opportune and very gracious moment for all of us to take part in this 2-day-long session training activity and enrich ourselves. It was an eye-opener for many of us that the examples that has been set in front of us, the words that have been explained, those are very common to us. We see it around us each and every day. We are going through these situations, these happenings, these incidents, but we really never realize that how I can contribute better to improve these situations or make a difference, make a change, or keep my footprint into the journey towards success. That's what has been unfolded in front of us, that yes, this how we can take steps, and our footsteps will be remembered by the others who will be following us, because it's team building for leadership. Leaders always lead and others follow their footprints. So today we were encouraged, motivated and directed to be leaders and keep our footprints where others can follow towards the peak of success. Last but not the least, I really want to thank once again to the great facilitator, and I heartfully wish all the success to Team Briddhi and Akbar Hassan sir, so that this endeavor continues for years together and lots of people like us get motivated, encouraged to do better for themselves, for the society, for their organizations as well as the country. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you once again.